just go ahead and say this now. This is not a tutorial. This is not a tutorial. Hey my hello KELLAs, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kay, and back again with a brand new video. As you guys see by today's title, today I'm going to be showing you my first time fully doing a wig, how I bleached it, plucked it, and semi-styled it. So if you guys are ready for that video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, get notified every single time I post a single video, and let's get straight into today's video. So on the first clip of the video, as you've seen, I had sprayed some the yellow can spray, just to give like a barrier between the knots and the bleach. And for the bleach, I did a 20 developer, and I have to go check the actual powder that I use, but it'll be on screen. So yeah, as you can see, I'm applying it to the knots now, and you want to make sure that you don't press too hard so that it actually gets on the hair itself. But in my case, it really didn't matter because as you're going to see, I actually bleached the hair. So if you're not really trying to bleach the hair, then don't, you know, press too hard with the brush or whatever you're using. So yeah, make sure you get the baby hairs area, so you know it just gets you under your baby hairs. It's just gonna make sense. So yeah. Okay, so you're gonna want to leave the knots on the aluminum foil for about 10 to 20 minutes, but check throughout that time because it could change really fast. A 20 developer takes a really long time to like change colors, so that's how mine's, you know, didn't really turn out the way I wanted to, but it's okay. You're gonna see. It's still turned out cute, but just not the way I wanted it. But yeah, as you see, I'm checking it, even though I literally just put it on there. I'm checking it to make sure, to see, should I say, if it had changed or anything. And yeah, that's what you're gonna do. So yeah. So this is what I was talking about, how it really didn't take. It's giving dark brown. Now for certain people, this is like perfect color for your knots, but I'm a little bit lighter than that, so I need, you know, just a little bit lighter for my knots. But it's okay because I went back when I dyed the hair. Well, not re-dyed the hair, but like when I dyed the hair, I went back and I re-dyed the knots. And even though they really, you know, typically doesn't look like it made a difference, it really did a little bit, but it's okay because, you know, hair still came out cute again. So yeah. Okay, I know y'all looking at this and looking like, girl, no, click off the video, because what is this? Okay, listen, it's called Just the Process. Okay, I came back, I had to go off camera and come back because, y'all, I was getting stressed out. As you clearly can see in the wig, I was getting stressed out, okay? But, listen, trust the process because the final result is beautiful. So you about to wash the wig with the same purple soap, and also conditioned it. And yeah, but that's what we're gonna do right now. So